Hi there. This is Christy Ashcraft from Christy's Leads. Sorry about this. And I was doing some research in your area, in our area, actually. I'm from the Fort Washington area, and I came across your business. Thought I would provide this free custom video that analyzes your online presence. And if you're interested further after watching the video, please contact me, email, text, or phone. If not, no harm, no foul. If you could just give me some feedback on the video, I'd appreciate it. And please implement these tips if you want on your own, that I'm going to provide you with some helpful information here. So I looked at your website, and it looks good. You have a nice header here, buttons to click, which is great. You have some really great images. Really draws people's attentions. It shows what you do right away. A lot of kitchen work, cabinet work. Um, the first thing I'm going to talk about is content, and that includes your front page. So we like to see about 1,500 words on the front page. You're probably a little shy of that, so you definitely want to try to get more words there, but you're not too shy of it. I've seen ones with a lot less, but you want to add some more content. Make sure your images are saved as keywords. So keywords generally for kitchen remodel are just that, like kitchen remodel, kitchen with islands, cabinetry work, um, cabinet installation, cabinet manufacturing. You want to save these images like that because it'll help you rank higher on Google for those keywords. So someone puts in cabinet installation and you guys pop up when they put that in. The more you can add words like that you think people are searching for, the better. We have tools that allow us to see the search volume and such. I'll talk a little bit more about those tools later. But that's about it on content. The next thing I'm going to talk about are citations. A citation is your business name, phone number, and address, and the number of times it appears in online directories such as Yelp, Angie's List, Facebook, any kind of social media. The more, the better. And I'll show you why. I put up a search, kitchen remodeling, Montgomery County. I don't know if you serve Bucks County, but just put Montgomery County in there. And I'll just go through this page real quick. You have your Google guaranteed ads up top, really good leads. If you guys can learn the process to get in them, which you could probably just read about, good to get into these Google guarantees. You get better leads that way, better than some of the garbage leads that other services provide. Traditional ads underneath that, and they're good. Sometimes, though, people have ad blockers and they get blocked, but other times they work well. This map pack, this is where you want to get into. A lot of people just click and use this when they're just searching. The reason is easy phone number, easy to see, easy click to the website, directions. You can kind of locate it if you want. At least some of them have the phone number, some don't here. But it's easy to find, just one click, and just its location too kind of separates the rest. To get into this map pack, you have to apply. It's a small process, but to rank in here, because there's tons of businesses in it, but they're not on the first page, you want to be in the top 3. You have to have a lot of citations. So what we would do is look at the number of citations this business had, match it, and then do some more. But you could certainly, go out to all those online directories and make sure you guys are in there. Your name, address, phone number, the more the better for sure. The last thing I'm going to talk about are backlinks, and backlinks help you rank organically, as well as citations and content and other things, but backlinks help you rank organically. So underneath the map pack, we have organic ranks. So these are businesses that are not paying for ads. They're just here organically because they have really good SEO techniques. So we have, Yelp doesn't count, or Angie's List, but we have the business of Ryan Reed, Game Remodeling, House doesn't count. So I pulled up one of these. I pulled up Lang's Kitchen, and I put them into the program that we use. And I kind of compared you guys here. Where are you guys? Okay, so this is you guys. So you guys, it doesn't look like right now. Now, Ahrefs, this is the tool Ahrefs. And it can be a little off, but it doesn't look like you have backlinks or referring domains. I'm not sure if you can check on that or not. So a backlink is another website that links back to you guys. And it could be in a blog. So someone's writing a blog about, cabinet installation. They mention your business, post your website, and it's clickable back to your website. The more backlinks, definitely for sure. the better. Here we have Lang's Kitchen. I'm just going to copy and paste into here and show you how, this is someone else, they compare to you guys. So this is one of your competitors, I'm assuming. So they have 4,000 backlinks. They have 239 referring domains. The domain is just where it's coming from. So you could have a blog that has your website mentioned 4 times. That counts as 4 backlinks, but 1 referring domain. There's a fine balance between the quality of these domains and the quantity. And we work hard to perfect that. But look at how much traffic they're getting, Lang's Kitchen. They're getting about 6,000 people visiting their site every month organically. They're not even paying for it. And that's just because, they have really good SEO management, which is part of backlinking and good domains that go back to that. They're also ranking on 6,000 keywords, 6,500 keywords. And we'll take a look at the keywords they're ranking on here. We would go in and again, we would just outrank them. That's all you do. Take the keywords that they're ranking for and do it with you guys. So they're in position 1 when someone searches kitchen island with seating, which has a search volume of 65,000. They're in position 1. Modern TV wall design. They're in position 1, search volume 3.4K. Again, we would just go through all this. They're in position 1 for a lot. Okay. So they're ranking well. So that, again, brings them a lot of traffic. So again, you guys, have a great website. We'd love to help you with some SEO techniques and such. If you are interested, please reach out via phone call, text, or email. If not, no harm, no foul. And take these tips, use them yourself. Hope the video was helpful. If you could provide some feedback, I would greatly appreciate it. Thanks so much for listening. Have a great day.